about event binding. Okay, so event binding is basically binding of some event with some data. It's called event binding. Okay, so let's suppose you have a button, and on clicking of that button you are changing some data or you are calling some function. That process is basically called event binding. So let's see how we can achieve that by coding. So let's create a button, click me. Okay, so let's create an event on click. Okay, on clicking on this button, this dot foo is the basically function we are creating. Foo equal to arrow function, and inside it let's print console.log. So printed bar inside this function. So guys, on the clicking of this button which we have created, click me, so you will basically see bar into the developer toolbar, or you can say console. Okay, so let's see, reload. Just click on this button. Here you can see bar into the console. Click how many times you will click, as that times you will see the this function called foo. Okay, so if you want to update some data on clicking of this button, you can do that also. So let's say if you want to update the existing state, suppose you want to update the name. So this dot set state, we are using to update the state. So inside this dot set state name, let's change it to John Doe. Save. Okay, let's go. On clicking on this button, you can see name is changed to John Doe. Okay, yeah. So what if you have a input box? Okay, and if you have you want to call some function on whenever you enter some data into the input. Okay, so how you can do that? So let's see, input on key up or on change also method you can use. Okay, so on key up method, on key up event is called when your key is getting up. Okay, and on change method is called whenever you change some existing state of the input box. So at that time on change event works. Okay, so for now I'm adding the event on key up. So this dot uh, let's create some get input value. Okay, let's create this function. Okay, so if you want to pass some event in the you so first of all let's see the function calling console.log. Okay, input function called in key up. Okay, so reload the okay on key up a. Okay, so whenever any key up, okay, in that case you can see the console. Okay, console is getting updated. Okay, so what if you want to basically see the data whatever you are adding here? Okay, so what you can do, that in that case you can pass the event. So for passing in some event, guys, if you want to pass some event or some data through the function, okay, so in that case you just need to use arrow function. Okay, so basically I'm passing the event. Okay, key up, so data event.target dot value. Okay, so it will show you the value you are typing. So let's say I'm typing my name, Himanshu Gupta, and you can see the console name is getting updated. Okay, so if suppose if you want to change the name, this name you want to change, and this should be as per the value you will type into this input box. Okay, so how you can achieve that? So for that, this dot set state. Okay, just update the state name Okay, let's take this value in some variable, that update name equal to e dot target dot value. Okay, and update name, same, change the name, John Doe. Okay, so guys, as you can see, you can change the name or you can bind this name with this input box. Okay, so hope you guys understand about the event binding. If you have any question on this topic, so you can comment below. I'll get back to you on it. Thank you guys, bye.